Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Welcome again in my channel, guys. Today I will discuss the challenge that's called car rental charges. So let's start reading the problem. Says that Ahmed works as a manager in a car rental showroom. On their third anniversary, he decided to rent every third car for free. Ahmed asks you to write a program that calculates the car rental charges on the day of the showroom's anniversary. So Ahmed, as a manager, needs your help. He decided to rent the every third car of the cars that exist in the showroom for free. يعني أحمد قرر، هو مدير محل تأجير السيارات في الشوروم، عنده في أن من الكارز، وهي decided في الذكرى الثالثة لتأسيس هذا المحل إنه يعطي كل سيارتين، السيارة الثالثة تكون for free للcustomers. و he wants also to help him calculate the total charges for every other cars except the free cars. يعني مطلوب نحسب الcharges for the other cars ما عدا طبعا الفري cars. So the constraint in this problem says that n, which represents the number of cars, must be between 1 and 2000, which means it's an integer value. C represents the charges for each of these cars, which is between 200 and 2000. Now the output is supposed to be as follows. If the user inputs the number of cars, for instance 7, and the charges sequentially for the 7 cars, then your code must manipulate these numbers and decide which car is the free, which is the third, the sixth car, etc., based on the criteria that's revealed by the question or the problem. And by the end of deciding the free cars, this problem asks us to calculate the charges for every single car except the free ones. So in this case عدد الكارز كان عندي 7، وأنا based on the criteria of the question السيارة الثالثة حتكون for free والسيارة السادسة. So we will calculate the total charges as 250 plus 500 plus 150 plus 750 plus 840. So the total charges will be 3,840, and the cars number 3 and 6 are both for free rented to the customers. Let's go to the code and discuss the code. Okay, as you see here, we declare a variable, an integer variable called n, which represents the number of cars, the rented cars, and charge, which represents the charge for every single car, and the total that will help us, this variable, to calculate the accumulated charges. So we need to sum the charges for every car entered by the user except those free cars, and we will save the values in this variable. So total راح يكون داخله مجموع الشارجز أو أسعار السيارات اللي ستؤجر ما عدا الفور فري، والشارج هو variable بيعبر عن المتغير، متغير يعبر عن سعر السيارة. الآن we let the user enter the value. So the user is supposed to enter the number of cars in the showroom, and here we will make a loop to walk through these charges one after one, and the maximum number of times we will walk through these values represents n. So this loop is supposed to start from 1 and ends by n, and represent the number of cars in this showroom. At each time we will accept the charge from the user and check if if we are in the third or sixth, etc. So we will print out that this car is free. فبما انه كل 3 سيارات حيكون هون عنا تحسب كفري فري كار. إذا الاكسبريشن المناسب هون إن نشيك على الآيز. إحنا الآن في الآي رقم 1، آي 2، الآيز الثالثة اللي هي آي مود 3 which represent إنه هذا من مضاعفات الثلاث. ما دام من مضاعفات الآي مود 3 which means equal 0 which means that إنه يعتبر مضاعفات الثلاث. فما دام إحنا في آي من الدورانات اللي هي من مضاعفات الثلاث، معناته نحن نعتبر هذه السيارة على إنها فري. otherwise calculate أو اعمل summation للcharges وخزنها في total. total plus equal charge means total equal total plus charge. At the end of the loop, now the loop will repeat n من المرات، وبنهاية هذه المرات حنحصل عنا التوتال اللي بيمثل عنا summation للcharges. So after the end of this loop we will print out the message total charges equal total. Now we will run the code. Okay, as you see here, it's perfectly matched with the cases 7. And if you want to enter other test cases, suppose we have 4 cars. Car number 1, the charge is 100, 500, 450, 7, and 150. Then after running this case, okay, see here, yes, then the output will be car number 3 is free based on this data, which is this one. So we will exclude it from the total. Now نحن راح نحسب total other charges 100, 500 and 150. So the total charge will be 750. So this is the solution of this case. Good luck and thank you for watching.